Alrighty everyone, so welcome back to part 4 of the original RMX250 rebuild video. Hopefully this is the last video. I'll be trying to put it back together fully today and we'll see if it starts up for us. Because that was our problem obviously at the start, is that it wouldn't start up. So yeah, first things first, before I do start putting everything back together. We have oil in this transmission which I do want to change. So I've done a bit of research and lots of blokes are saying that auto transmission fluid is actually what they use in these, which I thought it would have been something else, something a little bit different. But that's what we'll put in. I've got some of that. It says we need on here 650 milliliters of oil, which is actually not that much. I thought it would have taken more. But anyway, we'll get in, crack in and get that done. All right, so we'll start draining the oil. The drain bung is, where is it? There, right there. So I'll undo that. I've got a drum there. You may be able to see right here. And I'll be dumping the oil into. So that drain plug. There we go. So that oil drum under it. Perfect. Look at that. Professionalism right there. No mess. Right, just let that drain and put the new stuff in, I guess. So now that we have our oil drained, I have done the drain bung back up. I have 650 mils mixed up in this little washing liquid bottle here. Actually really handy for pouring oil. As the spout doesn't let the oil fall really quickly, and you're able to squirt it in however you want. So I'll just get that in there and we'll start filling it full of oil. So now I have it filled up. There's a little level plug over here that I'm going to pull out, and I'll just check that the oil flows out. I can see it in the gearbox. Yeah, it's right there. You can see the little reflection. Actually, gears don't look too bad and they're pretty clean. Doesn't look milky or anything, so I guess that's good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah, anyway, I'll get back to what I was going to say. We'll pull this level plug off and make sure the oil is coming out of the level plug. My handy little ratchet. See if there's any oil come out. Get that bike level. Come out now. Oh, yep, it's coming out. Alright, sweet, I'll call that done. I probably should have been checking it with the bike level. Most things on bikes are supposed to be checked when they're level, because that's obviously when you're riding it the most. But yeah, no, I'm happy with that now. Now it's coming out of that drain hole, so we'll tighten this up. That'll be good enough. I don't want to do it too tight. We'll put our filler cap back in and try not to cross-thread the bugger. Come on, arse. There we go. I'll call that done. Alrighty, now we've got our oil filled up. Also have our coolant filled up. I'm just putting, well, that's the old stuff. I'm just putting that in there for now for testing. But at a later stage, I will change that and put new stuff in there. But as I said, it's just for testing in case I have to pull the engine apart again. I haven't wasted a heap of coolant. But yeah, it's just for testing. So if it works and I'll change it. But if it doesn't, I haven't wasted a whole heap of coolant. Anyway, as I said, all this stuff's got to go back on, so we'll time lapse this. We'll do that now. lever on, and that is it. So the RMX is now fully finished. All we've got to do now is fill it up with some fuel, and we'll break in fuel as I mentioned earlier, and we'll break it in and see how we go. So yeah, hopefully everything holds together and it doesn't blow up again, because these bikes seem to have a tendency of blowing up. But because this is only a farm runabout, it won't be beat on as much as a race bike or a daily driver. It'll only get the occasional use. Maybe my dad might even register it, and we'll fix it up properly and register it and then ride it to work, which is just down the road. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, other than that, she's fully finished. So stay tuned and we'll get it going. All right, first start. Backfire. Righty, so we got it warmed up and it seems to be running actually really nicely. Don't worry about the smoke, that's just the oil with the brake-in mixed up. It's got a lot of oil in it, so just to see the rings. But yeah, it seems to be running pretty good, honestly. But yeah, I reckon we'll call that done, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.